Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Devgani Soname, and if you are new here, please subscribe below. As the title suggests, today's video is about Ajio coupons. So how to take maximum profit from Ajio coupons. Your girl shopped a lot from Ajio over the period of time, and I learned a lot of tips and tricks like how to shop from them and how to take maximum profit from them. So Ajio is one of my favorite apps to shop from. They always have discounts, they always have coupons for every. Even now, they have a Ajio fashion sale going on up to 90% off. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's just open Ajio. So as you can see, here is a giant fashion sale is going on 10 to 14 September. It's up to 90% off. So I'm gonna select gender, woman, and also I'm going to select size because I really get disappointed when they don't have my size. That's why I always select my size first. If you are looking for any particular thing, like if you are looking for denim, if you are looking for jumpsuit, so I am looking for denim jeans. Oh, size I have already selected 26. Also going to select color. I want a black high rise jeans. So there were lakhs of products and now it shortlisted to 71 products, so it also saved my time. Okay, I like this one. Yeah, it's really high-waisted, and as you can see, this is really good jeans. So I'm going to add my size, add to bag. So as you can see, below this denim jeans, you can see offer price. So if you use code mega deal, we will get it for 500 rupees. But there is one thing that we have to buy products worth rupees 1490 rupees. Then only we'll get flat 75% off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to click on view all products, add few products from this coupon code. I mean approximately 1500 rupees. So I'm going to add 1500 rupees products into my cart. Then only I can use that mega deal coupon. So if your budget is low, so what you can do, you can shop if you are staying with your friends, so you can shop together. And if you are at home, you can shop for your family. So yeah, that's what you can do. So I'm going to go into my cart and see if my cart is worth rupees 1490 rupees. So yeah, as we can see, it's for 1700. So I'm going to apply coupon and apply mega deal, and we got 300 rupees discount. So now I got two dress and one jeans in 1390 rupees. So I think it's a really amazing deal. This is the one thing I do, and the other thing I do is, if you are size extra small, small or medium, then it's useful for you. And if you are above than that, so I'm really sorry, this trick you can't use. So I go to kids section. Basically, girls kids section is really cute items to shop from. Skirts basically, so they do have really cute and amazing skirts. They are at really cheap price. So here what I do, I select size 13 to 14 year is for small size, and 12 to 13 it can fit me. So yeah, now look at this pink skirt, how cute it is. and it is from Allen Solly. It's for 490 rupees and size 13 to 14 years, and it can fit 28 waist. So yeah, that is the second thing I do. I shop from kids section because sometimes they really do have amazing clothes which I can't get in adult section. So yeah, and for baggy t-shirts and all, I go to men's section, and in t-shirts I shop from like plain baggy t-shirts from men's section. So that is the third trick I do. Next thing I do, I shop track pants and tracksuit from men's section because they do have really amazing colors and women section don't have it. So pink color, orange color, yellow color, I just apply filter. Look at this, we don't get it in women's section. So look at this lavender color track pant. This is really cool. So it's for 749 rupees. Size is little bit big for me, but I like my track pants to little baggy, so yeah, I don't mind. So yeah, that's all the tips and tricks I have for you guys. Today's shout out goes to Seema Patil and Ekta Singh. So thank you for watching, you guys. If this video is helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe, and comment down below what should I post next, a trendy jumpsuit haul, affordable jumpsuit haul, or a trendy affordable top haul. Please let me know in the comment section. So for now, bye.